Okay, it's -4 degrees and it's -37 wind chill.
Oh, it worked!
Wow. Well, it didn't really turn to snow though. It's not cold enough. Okay, screw this. It's not cold enough! Dang it! Okay, so now we're trying the wet t-shirt. I don't think it's cold enough to do
Maybe
this,
walk
guys.
out into the yard a little bit so the wind will hit you.
Probably.
Turn around this way.
Like they did it and it froze.
Oh my god. It's so cold.
Oh, it's freezing. Yeah, really? Yeah. I don't have enough wind.
Maybe you need to climb up in the treehouse.
It is, yeah, you can see it it's starting to get stiff. Not quite cold enough for that one though, huh?
There we go.
There he goes. There it is. Oh god, his hands have got to be freezing.
It's not quite. The wind is not. Yeah, there it goes. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Frozen stiff. It is. It's frozen stiff.
Is it?
Yes.
I can't see. Am I in the right direction?
Yes. Oh my god, that's crazy.
Okay.
Okay.
New Christmas ornament. Wow, that is crazy. Feel it.
Oh my god.
Here, Luke, put on your shirt. It is kind of. Oh, you're a little tall. You got to duck.